Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Firstly, just open Play Store on both smartphones and install free app called Send Anywhere. Then choose Open. Now you need to click on I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. After that, select Send on an Android and Receive on Xiaomi. Then choose No Thanks on Xiaomi as well and tap on Close this window. After that, you need to tap on all of those dots on Android and select Send. This way you will pick all of your files and send them later on. It will take a long time, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Redmi, choosing Allow or Only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key here and then connect our smartphones by choosing Receive. And now, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!